Good afternoon, my friends. Joey B here once again. Got a few things I want to show you, as usual. And we've been talking a lot about how the U.S. is preparing for possible civil unrest and the U.S. government's, and their coming war with the American people, as the title of this article says here that I had just posted to exaltedtruth.com by Mike Adams, which is originally carried by Prison Planet. And I've also linked up a few other pieces throughout the article as well in this piece. A lot of the things that we had been talking about, like the DHS and U.S. military making the final preparations before they announced martial law. We had talked about that, how the U.S. banks were told to make plans for preventing a collapse. Of course, the VPN Reviews reports that the executive order that was just passed by President Obama that actually promises to give total control of the Internet to the Department of Homeland Security. And I had showed you how Homeland Security were issuing their own DMCA takedowns recently, and I gave you a screenshot that says this video has been removed because of Homeland Security and so forth, if you remember that. But before I get into the original piece that I wanted to show you guys here, I wanted to remind you that, recently I also shared this, talking about how the United States attorneys refused to assure a judge that they are not already detaining citizens under the National Defense and Authorization Act. Now, I've done extensive videos on the NDAA. I'm not going to get into the entirety of that. You can find that on my channel. You can find that on the website, exaltedtruth.com. Just type in NDAA in the search box and all kinds of stuff will pop up. Or you can just go in the categories on the right-hand side of the website and specifically look up certain topics. Anyhow, so they came out basically and refused to assure the judge that they're not already detaining people under this National Defense and Authorization Act, Nazi-like legislation. And I just wanted to share this piece that came out today that I just posted here on exaltedtruth.com, talking about how the FBI has been raiding homes of Occupy activists, according to the U.S. newspaper. And this, as it says here, a U.S. newspaper has revealed that the FBI has been raiding the houses of anti-Wall Street protesters in Oregon and Washington, and in what the agency describes an ongoing violent crime investigation. And you see here it was originally reported by the Oregonian newspaper. So I'll link you guys up with that, but if you remember, we had done videos back in the past talking about how the Occupy movement in general was funded by Lucis Trust, and formerly known as Lucifer Trust. If you know what that corporation is, go look it up, or just go check the videos that I had done on it, and click all the links below that I provided, and you'll get enough information in that to know that that's basically an organization created by the powers that be, who worship Satan, right? This whole satanic New World Order that's being thrust upon us. And this is all part of the incremental approach towards that agenda of the New World Order. But as we see here, I just wanted to share that FBI are apparently raiding homes of the Occupy activists in Washington and Oregon. And also, it's important to note that some people are saying that it's already like martial law up in Anaheim, California. A lot of stuff going on over there. And that symbolizes a Nazi-like police state. So I mean, a lot of stuff going on. It's so hard to even cover it all. So just wanted to link you guys up with this. Much love, my friends, and God bless in these times.